Welcome guys, today I will show you how to lock apps with Fingerprint on POCO F8 Ultra. Let's open the Settings app, scroll down and choose Apps chapter. Here, tap on the App Lock part. Now make sure that in password type you choose Screen Lock, like here. Not Privacy Protection password, just Screen Lock. And now tap on Turn On. So as you can see, I don't have any screen lock, so I should set up it. Now choose default screen lock method. You can choose between pattern, PIN or password. I will try pattern. Tap on Got it to continue and draw your pattern first time. Now redraw it to confirm and hit the key. Okay, here you can choose apps which will be protected by your fingerprint. You can manage them after, so just simply touch Use App Lock button. Alright, as you can see, here are our apps. You can add more apps to this app lock feature or remove this one by using these toggles. So, how to enable fingerprint? Open the settings of the app lock and here you will find Fingerprint Unlock switcher. Move it. And now, as you can see, I don't have added fingerprint, so I should do this. Let's tap on the Settings button, wait for some checks, draw your pattern or enter the PIN, the default screen lock method, and now let's try to record the finger. Press and rotate your finger slightly in this area. Okay, and now tap Done. As you can see, Fingerprint Unlock feature activated. So let's check how it works. For example, let's try to open YouTube app. And now you should use your fingerprint to unlock this app. Voila! Now you know how to set up it and how it works. If this video was helpful, like it, leave some comment below and subscribe our channel. Goodbye.